Hi guys, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a cook with me. I'll be cooking some brown stew steak, some fried plantain, and some carrot and peas. So if you want to see how I get this done, please stick around and watch me. Also guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. Go ahead. Thank you. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I can know to do more for you. Also, guys, please leave a comment down below and let me know how y'all like your steak done. I like mine well done, but hey, that's my preference. See y'all. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is wash the meat with some lime juice and vinegar. I forgot to show you guys me washing the meat, but I did wash the meat. I washed the meat after I poured the vinegar and the lime juice on it. So please, guys, please wash your meat. Also, the seasons, I'm just gonna season the meat because, as I said before, I love a lot of seasoning. And guys, the cunning seasoning is optional. I'm not gonna lie. I just use it because it's been sitting in the cabinet and they said that it was good for you, but the aroma, like, it's really strong. I mean, it took away from the taste of the other seasonings. I don't mind using it because it didn't taste bad, but if I'm supposed to use it again, I honestly would not use as much as I did. Just a heads up. And guys, after you season the meat, I just had a tips of browning to it, not too much because I didn't want the steak to be too dark, but you can add as little or as much browning as you'd like. Also, I'm gonna let the pot hot with the oil, but please remember to turn the stove down before you put the meat in. While the water is boiling, I'm just gonna add some salt to it, and then I'm just gonna add the frozen carrot and peas. Sorry, peas. I'm just gonna add the frozen carrot and peas. So I'm just gonna let that boil for about 15 minutes. Guys, after the oil is hot, I'm just going to place the steak in the oil and I'm going to lower the flame, as I said before, and I'm just going to let it fry on one side for about a minute, and then I'm going to flip it and let it fry on the other side for a minute. You might see me constantly constantly flipping the meat, but this is because I had the stove on low and it wasn't at the desired crispiness that I wanted to, or color that I wanted to, so I had to keep flipping it. But if you want to go a lot faster than I did, please turn up back the stove, but not too high. So you have gotten the steak to the desired texture that you wanted to. Pour some water into the container that you seasoned the steak in, and then just pour it over the steak to a boil. After the steak has been brought to a boil, you're going to lower the flame and let it cook for about an hour. It depends on how you like your steak, but I like my steak well done. So guys, as you can see, my vegetable is done, and I turned the stove off, and my steak is finished. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the plantain to fry them. As a side, you might see me using half the plantain here instead of the whole plantain, and that's because it's only me alone, because Tiana doesn't like plantain. I don't know why. It's crazy. And hubby's not home yet, and he likes his directly off the stove, so that's why I'm using half instead of one. So guys, I forgot to turn the stove down here, but please remember to turn your stove down before you put the plantain in. And the reason why this plantain looks like it is, if you saw my grocery haul, then you know that the plantain was completely fit or ripe. Sorry, I'm talking to people all over the world. So that's why it looked like, but it didn't taste bad. And guys, this is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay guys, this is the finished product, and as you can see, I'm literally cutting this with a plastic fork and I'm not putting any pressure at all on it. And you can see how soft this steak is, and it is moist. Guys, trust me, it tastes even better. I ain't gonna lie. So if you try this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below how it turns out, and drop a blue heart. Let me know how if you guys made it to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.